Okay, we want maximum results. We want results in our business in 2021. And that's why you clicked on this video right now. 6 steps to 6 figures, how to launch your business, your profitable business in 2021. And we got the goods. We got 6 steps. And today we're going to focus on step 2. So if you have not yet, click on the link below to sign up, get your free account, become a VIP member, and come right to this page right here when you log in today. Not tomorrow, today, where you can get started with the 6-step to 6-figure process. My name is Adam Shelton, and welcome to the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you want more information just like this. So let's dial into step 2 today, because last time we talked about buying traffic on a weekly basis or even a daily basis where you get those profits. More traffic to your website, better your profits. And I know you want to better your profits. The potential profits can be there. Now, results are not typical, but if you're consistent with traffic, then you have a better chance of getting better profits in your business. Now, today we're talking about maximum results. Get those results by ensuring your autoresponder is all set up and ready to go, so you can email your list, your prospects, on a daily basis with content, value, storytelling, opportunity for them to take advantage of. And you be the person to be able to do that. And of course, we'll show you how to set this up properly. Now, right here, I'm going to read this right here. This is part of the 6 steps to 6 figures. This is Stephen Munson. He is the CEO of Heal. So watch this video here of a more of an introduction video to Heal if you have not already yet today or even before. So step 2, ensure your autoresponder is set up and dialed in for maximal results. You want those maximum results. Now the email autoresponder, we're talking about Aweber. So I'm going to click on access videos, and it's going to take me to a page. Let me go ahead and log in here. It's going to take me to a page. So let me see here. I'll log in. Let me go ahead and log in here. Make sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in real fast, and so I'm now here. So let me click on access videos. It'll let me in now. So when I'm access videos, I'm at this page here, and so you can connect Heal with your autoresponder right away. And so Aweber is the choice of the autoresponder of Heal. You can sign up on your Aweber. If you haven't got an Aweber account, you can sign up by clicking here. This is your unique ID where you need to connect Heal and the email autoresponder, when you set those things up. And so you need to keep your ID there. And then these videos, Lamar shows really breaks things down of how to set this up properly. So when you're signing up, you're in a really good spot in terms of making sure everything is set up properly. Comes from setting up your autoresponder, creating your first list or your second list or your third list, also connecting Aweber to Heal, which is very, very important. And this is why you need your ID to connect to Heal. So he talks about that. All you do is play this video here, and he walks you every step of the way. The next one is importing your follow-up emails. You get follow-up emails when you're a VIP member. You'll get some follow-up emails that you can use, that you can send out to your prospects. So if you're not necessarily as comfortable of email marketing writing right now, we'll give you some follow-up emails we can get started just by being a VIP member to help you along the way. So he teaches you how to set that up. The next one is how to use your Aweber affiliate link. That's really, really important as well. And then also how to remove the double opt-in process. He breaks that down. That's a very, very important video for you to need to watch that one probably multiple times just to make sure you understand the process. So you get that by clicking on access videos, log in, come right to this page, and then you want to access those videos to make sure your autoresponder is set up and you dialed in for those maximum results. Now I have another step-by-step tutorial for you, even if you just need another way, another process that's breaking it down much easier for you. Now you just click right here that says watch the step 2 tutorial, and you get to this page here. Daniel Kump, which is the head of operations of Heal, he breaks down exactly a little bit what I just did with you, but then he breaks it down even more on a deeper level in terms of like what video to watch first and why it's important to have an autoresponder. To me, it's important to have an autoresponder because you want to be able to have maximum results by sending value, content, storytelling, offers, opportunity to your prospects for you can get maximum results and maximum engagement as well. So 8-minute video here. Watch this video. I'm not going to play the video. I want you to come to this page here and watch this entire video when you become a VIP member. And it's easy to do. Just click on the link below in the description box, sign up, and then come right to this page. You should get a notification information from your email inbox in terms of login information for Discover Heal. Follow those steps here, come right to this page that says education, 6 steps to 6 figures, and you come right to this page right here. Now, when you are watching these videos, especially when you access the videos right here, make sure you take them very slowly, because the information, if you have never heard of Aweber before or autoresponder before, and if you not understand and you're not really sure, how to set this up properly, then you want to go through this process very, very slowly. Now, if I go to Aweber right now, it's going to prompt for me to sign up and log in. So when you log in, go ahead and sign up, log into the information, and then go back here to make sure you follow the process very well. Come back here to make sure you follow the process very well. Now, one thing that Aweber has, they have a really good customer service team, and you can live chat with them just right here. Click on live chat, put your name, email address, how can we help with your email marketing, and then your login information right there. You can start chatting with them right away, and they're there. They've helped me out so many times when I've had problems with Aweber and certain connectivity and certain things that I will have questions for. There's a live chat with them as well, so you can live chat with them. I prefer the live chat. Also, you can email them there by clicking email, and you can email them right here by email us right there 24/7. Email us at 24/7. We always responding. You also can call them. I've called them before as well. They're very, very prompt and they're very, very understanding. They can walk you through any steps of the way, so you're not by yourself. So if this is your first time ever using an autoresponder, then Aweber, I would say, is one of the most user-friendly beginner type of autoresponders you're gonna find, because live chat, you can email them, and you can call them on the phone and you can get to them as well. And Aweber is very, very used all around the actually entrepreneur world, especially online marketing. So definitely take this really, really seriously and understand you are not by yourself. So when you're signing up, you're good to go. Make sure you watch this video here that says watch the step 2 tutorial. Watch this video, and then you eventually go right here to access the videos, sign up for your free account. If you have an Aweber account, then you're already a step ahead. If you don't worry about it, because we have this all for you in every step of the way, because we want this maximal results for you and your business today. So this is a review of step 2 of this process. Maximize your results. Get those results in your business by setting up your autoresponder and dialed into the process. Trust me, you definitely want an autoresponder if you want to take your business to another level, because yes, step 1, we talked about traffic. We talked about the importance of traffic. You want to get traffic in your business each and every week, each and every day, and we even have weekly packages for you can do that. But you also want to use your autoresponder as well to be able to get those maximum results. Like I said earlier, if you have not signed up yet, definitely want to do that today and get started for this opportunity, because it's really, really easy, and we have a step-by-step process for you can go ahead and get results in your business. It says here how to launch your business in 2021. I believe how to launch your profitable business in 2021. So watch this video a few times. If you have to, dial into the process, log in, click on the link below, sign up, log in, get started. I'm going to do a step 3 review as well, a step 3 review about this as well, because then when you go to step 1, step 2, step 3, I'm going to do a step 3 review to make sure you're on the same page, because I really believe this is a really good opportunity for you to dial in, get excited, get those results in 2021. Well, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. I can't wait to do step 3 for you as well, do a review for you. That way you're dialed into the process before you get those results. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget, click on the link below to get started today, and I'll see you on the inside.